Hello Firebirds, I'm Dan Fankhauser and I'm here with
PK Hoppy.
bringing you today's GP News from the library. Today is Wednesday, November 13th.
Today for lunch we'll be having crispy fish strips with tartar sauce, cheesy crackers, local steamed broccoli, and fresh apples.
Here are the Mandarin morning announcements with Maya and Cameron. 现在是中文早晨播报时间. Now it's time for the Mandarin Chinese announcements.
大家好，我叫 Mia， 我是8年级的学生。Hello, my name is Maya. I'm an 8th grade student.
大家好，我叫邢美妍，我是8年级的学生。Hello, my name is Cameron and I'm also an 8th grade student.
今天是2019年11月13日，星期三。Today is November 13th, 2019, and today is a Wednesday.
今天天气是很好，最高气温是77度，最低气温是53度。Today's weather is very good. The highest temperature is 77 degrees and the lowest temperature is 53 degrees.
我们这周学习的中文词是 our weekly Chinese phrases, 熊猫娃娃, which means panda doll.
我的爷爷去中文给我买了一个熊猫娃娃。My grandpa went to China and bought me a panda doll.
今天的中文早晨播报到此结束，谢谢大家。This is the end of our today's morning announcement in Chinese. Thank you.
In other GP news, the canned food drive will be from November 5th to November 14th at Gavilan Peak for Food Bank at St. Rose. It is to help local families going through hard times and to be able to provide healthy meals through the holidays. Bring in non-perishable canned or packages food items between November 5th and 14th. Please try to bring in substantial items such as peanut butter, pasta sauce, tuna, canned vegetables, and fruit. Not tons of ramen noodles. The winning homerooms in each grade band, K through 2nd, 3rd through 5th, and 6th through 8th, will win a treat. Please support our local community.
Today's PTO restaurant night at Buffalo Wild Wings. Join us anytime today at Buffalo Wild Wings for a day-long fundraiser benefiting our school. Dine in or carry out. Mention Gavilan Peak and a portion of the proceeds will be donated to Gavilan Peak. Thank you. That's all. Here's the joke of the day. What kind of cats like to go bowling?
Alley cats.
That's all we have announcements today.
Have a wonderful Wednesday.
This is Dan Fankhauser
and PK Hoppy
signing off for GP News.